What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wingstop Poppy, and we're back today with another sneaker unboxing. Now today's unboxing, we're actually going to be doing a Yeezy 350 V2. I know I've probably said in previous videos that I was going to be done buying 350 V2s, but Yeezy Supply blessed me. I figured I decided to pick these up because I heard they were super limited. I figured they might have some resale, so I'm not even going to lie to you guys. I pretty much picked these up to flip, but I figured I'd show them off to you guys anyways. Before we get into the video, please hit that like, subscribe, and feel free to follow me down on the gram below to see how I style all my sneakers and outfits. Fortunately, probably won't be styling these because, like I said, probably just going to resell these. But follow the gram anyways, and yeah, let's just get right into the video. So starting off, in case there's some people out there who don't have 350s and this is going to be their first one, I figured I'd just show the box. But for everyone else, you guys have probably seen this box before. Standard Yeezy 350 box. Size 11. I go up half a size if you guys still aren't sure about sizing, or if you never bought one before, go up half a size. Anyways, the sizing label reads Sulfur, Sulfur, Sulfur for the colorway. And yeah, that's usually what they've been doing recently. They just give it the nickname and put it on the colorway. But anyways, let's just get right into it. And bang, bang, the Yeezy 350 V2 Sulfur. Now, once again, when the leaks or the official images drop, no one really knows what color of the shoe is, just because they're all like different tones and the computer like doesn't pick it up, and it's always confusing. So when I bought these, I literally had no idea if they were going to be more green or yellow. Looking at them for the first time, it's an olive yellowish green. That's my best way to describe this colorway. It really does look like something like you would get in the military, but it's not as olive as, say, like the Travis Scott 6s, if you've seen those. It's definitely got some nice yellow tones in it. And overall, it's really not that bad of a colorway. I actually kind of like it. Not enough to keep it, but I really do like it. But getting into some gripes about this shoe, as you guys can see, my boost on the bottom came pretty scuffed up already. Shout out to Yeezy Supply, that's where I got these from. And then you can see that one is dirty as well a little bit. I'm not sure how that happened, but I never usually have quality issues with my Yeezys that I've purchased, but I guess there's a first time for everything. Anyways, other than that, I really do like the gum sole on these. I think that gives it a nice touch. And I also like this yellow boost they have back here, even though you can't see that obviously when you're wearing the shoe, but I think that is a nice touch as well. Overall, I think this is a pretty good colorway. If you're looking for a green like tone Yeezy, I think it would be a good option. There's my Yezreel pair if you guys want to compare the different green tones. Obviously more brighter, this one's more toned down. And then another thing before we end this video is that this one actually, right when I saw it out of the box, it reminded me of these, the clays. Just like this is obviously more orangish red tones, but this is like the green version of the clays. That's literally what it reminded me of, if that makes any sense at all. Still, probably my favorite Yeezy 350 V2. I'm just biased because it's orange. I absolutely love the color orange, but I wear those absolutely all the time. But anyways, getting back to this one. Yeah, like I said, if you're a fan of olive green, yellowish like tones, I guess this would be a great 350 for you guys to pick up. Obviously, super comfortable shoe, has the boost. I still wear mine all the time. I absolutely love the 350s. It's great for just slipping on and like making quick runs to the store or whatever. But yeah, also, I forgot to mention, I absolutely love this dark gray inner as well. I'm pretty happy they went with that dark gray instead of making it all green. Gives it a nice little contrast on the upper for sure. And yeah, that's gonna be about it for me. These will definitely be for sale. So if you're looking for a size 11, holler at me, comment on me, or DM me on Instagram. We can work out a price. Obviously, these are dead stock. Minor the flaws on the bottom. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. One last look. I'll also include some close-up shots. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.